Now it's time to bring everything together. Let's make a method for initializing drawing. Some duration in frames. 60 frames are 1 second by default, so that's 7 seconds. Initializing all the rectangles. Now the drawing method. We are drawing all the rectangles step by step until they are ready. Let's change the code here. I almost forgot we need to add this argument to the constructor. And what we need. I think it would be better if we made the rectangle smaller. For example, like this. Now, large rectangles will be generated less frequently than small ones. Let's check it out in practice. Little changes. Yeah, that's interesting. Let's continue later.